It is now both my pleasure and privilege to actually deliver the vote of thanks for the sessions which we've been having today. Uh, the topic for today was unleashing the power of women in leadership and governance. And as those of us who have been privileged enough to attend the session today, I think we have seen the women part of IIA really being unleashed in its full form. And I have no doubts that this is something which is going to keep on growing, considering whatever the Women's Committee and the Women's Forum has managed to achieve, within barely a year of being kickstarted as a formal part of IIA India is, this is what you get to see. And I'm sure there will be lots and lots more to build upon as well as to follow from whatever we've heard today. Today would not have been possible without all our sponsors. A great and a big thank you to our platinum sponsors, Genpact. Thank you very much, Subhashish. You and Genpact have been supporting us for many, many years, and we look forward to that continued support. Our gold sponsors, Deloitte. Our silver sponsors, A&B. Again, Anil Bhandari has been a past president and always a key supporter as far as IIA India is concerned. All the members of the Women's Committee who've been slogging away for months, in addition to performing their day-to-day roles. As we've learned, most women are fabulous at multitasking, and that is something which they've absolutely been showing to us as to how they could do that. And of course, all the speakers and the panelists, our associate sponsors, TVS, eNoah, SBI Mutual Fund, Everk, Prodivity, TDP Global, participants in the career fair, Societe Generale, MGC Global, JHS and Associates, Amazon. I think all of you have given us a lot of bulk today. It's been absolutely delightful to personally listen to each of those three keynote and valedictory sessions, whether it was Satya Barrera and Janita John in the morning, or it was Anu Razdan right now, and all the sessions on technology, on the emotional aspect and of excellence and leadership, and how it impacts corporate productivity, profitability, etc. And of course, the use of internal audit as a strategic lever. So thank you all very much. I hope you've enjoyed the session as much as I did. And we certainly look forward to making this particular event a bigger and better event as the years pass by. I think it was a fabulous first time start. So over to you, Sana. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil sir, for the vote of thanks. Now, this is the final closure for the conference. So what we call the beginning is often the end. And to make an end is to make a beginning. The end is where we start from. Learning of this event is the beginning for many in several aspects. On behalf of the conference organizers, I express the heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Thank you for being with us during the conference and making the first national conference of IIA India Women's Forum a successful and a memorable event. With this, I officially announce the close of today's conference. Looking forward to see you in the upcoming sessions. You may visit the conference platform in the exhibitors stall for the next 7 days. It will remain open for all the attendees to view, and they can also listen to the recorded versions of the sessions which we had today. Thank you so much, everyone.